Yeah.
Point one.
Shout to the homie. For all those who don't know me, let me tell y'all niggas. I sip my yak and I smoke my live. That's what I'm supposed to do. Got my pants on sag and my hat to the side. That's what I'm supposed to do. Don't never leave the house without the 4-5. That's what I'm supposed to do. Said I sip my yak and I smoke my live. That's what I'm supposed to do. Got my pants on sag and my hat to the side. That's what I'm supposed to do. Go, let me in. Like I started on some just freestyling. Like I ain't even really want to freestyle in front of niggas, my nigga. Like it was crazy. Like I didn't even want to freestyle. But then once I got acclimated to the cipher, like that night with that fucking at that show, backstage at Benedict show, I'll never forget that shit. My nigga Wu Mac and shit, he had a show. Niggas was flowing in the back. When I stepped in that cipher, that was a cipher that woke me up. Like that cipher right there woke me up. Like word up, I'll never forget that.
That wake up call right there, man, because you got to get a wake up call, you know. That's how it happens sometimes. You just wake up, but this is meant for you to be. This is how it's meant. I always say shit happens for a reason, you know. Especially the way shit goes now, shit happens for a reason. So this is how it's supposed to be. You don't supposed to get no 9 to 5. You're supposed to just rap.
You're supposed to grind. Like you supposed to grind.
Word.
You said we on live. We on live. I gotta hit that loud one time. Gotta hit that loud one time, man. Get 16 out of it one time. Yo, my nigga. I said, live your life to the fullest until the law comes. Knew I had a shot and y'all thought it was a long one. Knew I was tripping, didn't think it'd be a far one, but the summer here, hold your pride for the fall comes. Pay attention to who's sprinting and who riding for the long run, here for the good and when the war comes. Like Drake said, we don't need new friends, keep the circle tight or they'll turn into a loose end. Sell a soul for a new Benz with huge rims, I keep it 100 like 420s and 210s. It's more to it than more money and loose chicks. The more people, the more chances some loose lips. Me? Nigga, that'd be funny. Half these cats say they sold packs with G money. But get money and do that quickly. Old school soul running through your New Jack City. Whoa. You feel me? It's your boy, man. Young P 973. I'll at your boy, man. Light all in my eye and shit.
You already?
Hey, man. We working, man. We in the lab working. You know what I mean? You already know it's your boy, Young P 973. You feel me? Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all that other shit. You feel me? Listen to the music, hit me up, man.
Yo,
Point one.
Your boy Point One. You already know. Y'all heard my shit.
Working on that. We working on that. We working on that twisted joint, cause that's what I'm supposed to do. Feel me? Cause that's what I'm supposed to do, man. 7-3. Turn up.
Oh, he done brought out the good shit. It's going down.
See that? Age for 21 years. You know why?
Man.
That's what I'm supposed to do.
I sip my yak and I smoke my lie, cause that's what I'm supposed to do. It's gonna be everywhere. Produced by Point One.
We in the studio grinding right now. You know why? That's
Grind
what I'm supposed to do, my nigga.
That's what I'm supposed to do. Cause that's what I'm supposed to do. That's what I'm supposed to do. That's what I'm supposed to do. I sip my yak and I smoke my lie. That's what I'm supposed to do. Pants on sag and my hat to the side. That's what I'm supposed to do. Put that music down, dog, and lay down the wax, nigga. Shit, when the beat drop, react, nigga. Then I'm just about this gas, nigga. Shit, talk about the money, guns, gas, triggers, blinkers, glam, shit, man. I'll be with the trigger, man. I don't know, man. Hit him with a gram. Like bright, got him shining like a diamond, shit. Young P, he be in the streets, he be grinding, man. He be grinding, and it's all about the time, and then it's all about the motivation, nigga. Get in line and shit. I don't know, get in tune, shit. Move with this movement, or it's moving without you, nigga. Shit, yeah. on to the top. I'm on to the top and I'm fresh off the block. Yeah, Sanford and Knox, nigga, you come in cop. Couple nickel dimes, niggas some 20s, we on the block, boy. Yeah, probably catch him at the bar and catch a couple shots. Yeah, catch him at the bar. Yeah, now he fucking with a star. Yeah, bitches fucking with me, know they fucking with a star. Who I are? Yeah, it be me, Young P, simply, nigga, get these beats. Shit, man, I be on my shit. I be on my shit in these beats, in these streets, like these niggas, they don't want the beats. Shit, I don't know, man, they don't want the beats. I spit this shit, I spit it comfortably. Who the fuck wanna fuck with me, man? I'm on my time, I'm on my grind, I'm on my grizzly. Shit, these niggas can't get rid of me, ain't getting rid of me. Yeah, I don't know shit. I need an illa beat. Shit, I need a bang bang, shoot 'em up, gang bang, killer beat. Shit, I need some lovey-dovey killer beat. Shit. Yeah. It's your boy Young P, nigga. Turn me up in my headphones. Young P, 4th Cal.
Point one.
Yeah. Clap your hands. Get up and dance. Make 'em bust a band. And don't stop until you clutching on a couple grand. I told her bend it over, make that ass clap. She asked if I'm tipping, I said listen, boy, I'm past that. Mathematician, it's young pimpin', big business, and she up and down the pole like the Nasdaq.